Morning student, today we will discuss about the fertilization. So fertilization is a process in which haploid gamete, that means the gamete fuses together, two different types of gamete, male and female gamete, fuses together to form a diploid cell which is termed as zygote, which will have the full number of chromosomes, but the gamete was having half number of chromosomes. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system provides several functions. The ovary, okay, the ovary, it produces egg called the ova or oocyte. So this egg contains haploid number of chromosomes. So this is the female gamete produced by the ovary. The ovary is there and it produces one egg in every alternate month. The oocyte are then transported to fallopian tube. That means the ovum is transported to fallopian tube where the fertilization will be done by the sperm. Okay, so either the fertilization can done or the ovum can rupture. So the fertilized egg then moves to the uterus where the uterus in response to normal hormones of the reproductive cycle. Now as the ovary is ready to release the ovum, the uterus prepares itself to receive the egg. So the ovary is present in pair. The uterus is a hollow pear-shaped organ that is the home to a developing fetus, where the implantation of embryo will take place and gradually the embryo will convert ovaries. The ovaries are small oval shaped glands that are located on either sides of the uterus. The ovaries produces eggs and hormones. Female fallopian tubes, after that releases the ovum, this is received by the fallopian tubes. So these are the narrow tubes that are attached to the upper part of the uterus and serve as a pathway for the ovum to travel from ovaries to the uterus. So fertilization of an egg by the sperm normally occurs in the fallopian tube. The fertilized egg then moves to the uterus where it is implanted to the uterine line. So here you can see the fertilization. So here in the fertilization process you can see that the in the sperm, this part is called head, this part is called tail, and this one is the middle part. Okay, now this tail will helps in the movement, this head will fuses with the ovum, where here you can see that it will fuses with the ovum, and this is the nucleus present, which you can, the dot like structure is the nucleus present. So this is about the sperm. So you can see the ovum here. In the ovum, this is the nucleus. So nucleus of the sperm and ovum always contain n number of chromosomes. Okay, it contains n number of chromosomes and do the fertilization. So when they do the fertilization, then what happens? It becomes n plus n and this equals to 2n. So in case of human 23 chromosomes and here it become 46 chromosomes. Okay. Now the here, and after that the zygote which is formed, this zygote will have a single nucleus. Okay, it will have a single nucleus with 46 chromosomes, and all this takes place in the fallopian tube, also known by the name duct, DUCT. So this is let it this much for today. We will discuss in the next class.